I bought this light fan setup. It's really good. It charges my phone fairly quickly. Not like a super fast charger or anything, but it's gone from 86% to maybe an hour. It's got almost full. Not bad, I'm not gonna complain. One thing I will complain about is when you go to Walmart in America, in the US versus Canada, because guess what, they're both American. So I tried to get the Webaxa set stuff for my back that I normally like, and they didn't have any of it. Not allowed to sell it in the US because of one of the ingredients, which is a muscle relaxer, and it's not like I was looking for get a big fix off it or something. All I wanted was pain relief, and it helps in my back, but they didn't have it. So anyways, this fan is pretty good. 5200 milliamp. So it's like a battery bank, a light, and a fan all in one. So if this keeps me cool and lit tonight, good job. So I was going to do site 9 because everybody says that's a good one here. So I'm at site 6 because there's a family down there at 9, and I didn't want to go down there with the bike, and you know, they got little ones and the dog. So I'll just stay down here. I don't care. I got 2 nights here. What else do I need? It's cool at night, so I don't need AC or anything like that. As long as I can cool down and sleep, I'm a happy dude. 2 of the batteries pooched themselves from the heat. They no longer fit in. This one I had to pry it out of the camera. So I toasted 2 batteries today for the GoPro. I forget what I was talking about before the camera overheated. So this is my campsite. Great Amazon tent, but it's awesome. Blew up, got an air mattress. I got my pillow. I got sleeping bag. I got, you name it, I got it in there. I am set. And I got an audiobook on my phone, fully charged. I should be good to go. But I'm telling you, this is one of the best campgrounds I've ever been at. This is one, like, you know, it's hard to beat Canadian wilderness sites, crown sites, but for an actual organized state campground, this is pretty nice. It's just families with kids. There's the camp host is set up right across the road from me. I'm at site 6. Best site is apparently site 9, but there's a family over there. I didn't want to intrude where there's families. So there's maybe 1, 2, 3. So there's 5 campers plus the host right now, and I don't know how many sites there is total. I think it's only 21 or something like that. But there's not many. So you can hear those horns. That's on the highway going through the mountains. So it's not very far from here. But it's a beautiful spot. I think I'm gonna rather enjoy it. We'll just tour around the campground. It's one way. But it's a pretty nice little spot. I should have kept going. That would have been ideal right there. That's a nice spot. Pretty cool, eh?